The Deackimei Cordless Soldering Iron Station is compatible with Milwaukee 18-volt batteries, making it a lightweight and portable choice for various soldering projects. This soldering station features an adjustable temperature control knob that heats up quickly, reaching temperatures up to 896 degrees Fahrenheit or 480 degrees Celsius. It boasts a versatile design with a user-friendly menu that allows for temperature calibration, auto sleep mode, unit conversion between Celsius and Fahrenheit, and more, all displayed on a clear OLED digital display. The built-in low-voltage protection ensures a safe soldering process, providing reliable and stable performance. Its compact design includes an integrated soldering iron holder, making it an excellent space-saving solution for any workbench. The package includes the soldering station, a soldering tip, a roll of lead-free soldering wire, and a user manual, providing everything needed to get started.